Greetings everyone, I've returned to Disneyland to celebrate my twin sister Katie's birthday. Oh, and mine too. Let's roll that intro. That's correct. At the time of this recording, it is Katie's birthday and my birthday, and also shout out to Mom, because it's really Mother's Day. That's how I think of my birthday anyway. That's just the way I think of it. So today, instead of making plans of my own, I decided to let Katie choose a few things, all right? Is most of it stuff I would choose? Yes. But remember, this is what Katie wanted, and whatever Katie wants, Katie gets, especially today, all right? Here we go. Well, I was gonna go somewhere first, but it was down, so Katie's list is gonna have to wait a second. However, it's also my birthday too, and I don't mind stopping at Pirates of the Caribbean, where ghost boats abound. Ghost boats abound, oh my gosh. Yo-ho, let's go! Bye, ghost boats. Now, there's not really anybody to wave to right now. I'm gonna do it anyway, but a little tease for you. Stay tuned to the channel. You never know when a Blue Bayou review is gonna pop up. Ooh, it's a portent. It's a tease. Wow, we're back in it. Oh my goodness. If only I could sleep right over there. You know, I can do it during the day. Wave at people. You know, dress them up like a skeleton. All skin and bone. And you know, there's a ghost boat following us. It's really hard to see in the darkness. Oh my gosh, ghost boat. Keep at it, buddy. Keep at it. Hi, Barbosa. Good morning. There goes her part. Right for it. Right for it. Say it. Say it. Still trying.
With us.
I love dog. I love dogs so much. Oh, shout out to Lily Ranger, Gus and Sam. Aw, Captain Jack, you shouldn't have. All that for me. Thanks. Oh. Wait, what do you mean it's for Katie? Oh, okay. Okay, I get it. I understand. That's wrong. I love it. Well, next on the list is Indiana Jones Adventure: Temple of the Forbidden Eye. And this time we're doing a special birthday tribute serial. Let's roll that clip. Well, looks like Jimmy's returned to the Temple of the Forbidden Eye on his birthday. Hi, Jimmy. How's it going? Oh, yes. Where's Katie? Oh, that's right. Well, wait, she might be in the temple. Oh, yeah, let's go check it out. Well, we're just gonna search for her down here. Oh, my goodness, Jimmy, do you think she went into the bat cave? Potentially. Oh, you can even hear the dulcet tones of the bats wishing you both a happy, happy birthday. Isn't that sweet? Just mind your step, Jimmy. Even Mara's savoring the day. But you still haven't found Katie yet, have you, Jimmy? Well, she must be here somewhere. Oh, look it! Mara got some birthday cards for Katie. Oh, if you translate those, I'm sure they wish you both the happiest of days. Wait a sec, Jimmy. Is that a picture of you? Oh my goodness, Jimmy. You'll be driving today? Oh my. Well, Katie's in good hands now. Will Jimmy find Katie? Tune in next time to find out. Next up on the list, Haunted Mansion Holiday. Yes, we're back. This was the one that we were waiting for. It was shut down at the very beginning of the day, otherwise I would have rope dropped, but now I'm here. I'm here with friends, and it's very exciting. I can't wait. Katie, this is for you. We're back in it, baby! I love it so much. Oh, there's Zero. Okay, can somebody explain this to me? Is he like floating down the hallway to get it? Or like, is he holding it? I don't understand it. I want to understand it. Yes. Let's get Corn up in here. Man, oh, I'd love to ride this with Jonathan Davis. Jonathan Davis, if you're watching this right now, please hit me up. Let's ride it. Look at him. Green Eyes Magoo. Oh, I wonder why they changed him. So curious. Oh my gosh. Oh. Come on, Ginger. Now I found out it's not, I said mailbox last time. It's like more of like a mausoleum, and the chef behind this actually put all the names of all the people who worked on it down there. Isn't that cool? That's nice. Oh, the gingerbread smells so good. Yes! Okay, look at this right here. I'm gonna zoom in slow, 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 slow. It's gonna be really hard to see, but right here at the top of my finger, see my finger in there? Right below the skull right here. That's where the spider is that covers up where the glass is broken. You can kind of see the glint of the light right here. Yeah, isn't that crazy? That's so cool. Might be kind of hard to see him, but way back there, it's the wax candle man. That's great. Isn't that so cool? Nice little nod to some old Imagineering concepts. But also, Jack and Zero. Love it. Jack, did you get Katie something? Did you get Katie something for her birthday? Zero, oh, Zero, can I have that candy? I don't know. Oh, he's so cute. What if he had the bone that he was trying to get earlier? Be cute. Oh my gosh. This is just so good to me. Hi, Sally. Hi there. Oh, Sally. Oh, it actually recognizes her face as a face on my camera. It's so great. I love it. Ho, ho, ho. Hello. And one of my favorite things in the whole mansion. I can make a top 5, top 10 video about everything I love in the mansion here. It's just so good. Look at that. Oh, Oogie. Hi, Oogie. Oh, I want to be a winner today. Is it going to be me? Is it going to be me? I'm the winner! Woo! Yes! I did it! Finally! Oh my gosh, it only took me 700 tries. Yay! Now we're over at Big Thunder Mountain Railroad for the next ride on our list. And actually, I'm here with my buddy McKenna and Max, but McKenna's with me right now. You're about to see her very shortly. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! It said 35 minutes, it's not 35 minutes. Whoa, hi possums. Oh gosh. Yeah, go drink. Go drink, go drink. Alright, there's McKenna. We are very close friends now. Oh my gosh. So now I'm hanging out with my friends, Heartland Family Adventures, and I got this house grind bacon burger with fries, and I would love to show you what I think about it, but here's the deal. If you want to see that, you're gonna have to go check out their video. Oh my goodness, shameless plug. Heartland Family Adventures. These guys are great. I'm always talking about them. Now I get to see them in real life. And now they've got shrimp over here and a lobster roll. They're so fancy. Look at that. And of course, I come to this place and I get a cheeseburger. No one will be surprised. No one is surprised.
Don't apologize for a cheeseburger.
Pimento? I mean, my goodness, yes.
Yeah.
I mean, pimento.
But seriously, I will link them down below. Please go check them out. Now I'm back in Disneyland. My little sojourn in downtown Disney is over. Again, check out the Heartland Family Adventures. But look at this. Queen of Hearts is out here. Jafar is out here. They're just prowling around as people walk into the park. How cool is that? That's amazing. It's kind of intimidating. It's like, welcome to Disneyland. It's also like, but keep your loved ones and valuables close. Very close, you know? Don't want to lose your head over it. Smash cut, I'm in the Blue Bayou, and I want to show you the menu. My flashlight doesn't work. I'm just going to tell you up front. Also, here's the story of the Blue Bayou. Can you read there? It is. You can read it at home. Wow, you read it so fast. That was impressive. Anyway, over here. I've never had the scallops. I think I've tried them. They're not bad. The fillet's pretty good here. I lament the loss of this all the time. They used to do the surf and turf. They haven't brought that back yet. They have the kids menu though too. It's another option if you're bringing kids. And then they also have some wines as well. Look at that. Oh look, we're in California. You can get California wine. How fancy. Oh my gosh. Yes. We just had a hurricane roll through here. How crazy is that? Oh my goodness. And then I've tried these, I believe I tried the corn poblano fritters in the past. Okay, it's so hard to focus up on this. There we go. There it is. They're pretty good. Chicken gumbo here is fantastic. Fantastic. I always think of my friends the Hansons when I have the chicken gumbo here. Shout out to the Hansons. Love the Hansons. They're so good. And normally a flashlight on the side here, but mine's it's not. The luminosity of me is what you're getting here. Okay. Okay. That's. got a classic mint julep here, along with the corn fritter with poblano is what we're thinking. It looks really pretty. It's been a while since I've had one of these. I'm pretty sure I've had this before. Check the tape. Check the tape. Cheers. Oh man, super good. And you know what? Pairs really well with. It's number 1. My record, I told these guys, is 5. It's not gonna happen tonight because, trust me, it was something I'll never forget. Let's just put it that way. My picture's on the wall in the kitchen. And here it is. It's kind of in the shadows, but it's the filet with the carrots and the mashed potatoes. Now, people tell me these carrots are called I don't know what it is. But it looks fantastic. Oh, I'm so excited. And I'm a meat and potatoes kind of guy. This is what I like. This is what I like. So my pal McKenna got the lemon basil pasta with squash blossoms in it, and she requested a spoon with it because she's fancy. Yeah. Also, look at that shirt. What a cool shirt. She's reppin'. But also, Max has got great taste because he got the exact same thing that I got.
Make it 2.
You gotta make it 2, yeah. These guys, this meal brought to you by these 2 lovely people. They're amazing, honestly. So great. So great. We kind of waved at some of the boats, and then the boat stopped for a little bit, and it felt very strange.
Yeah, no boats for a minute.
We need them. We need the boats. Now they're not, and I just saw a shooting star. Look at this view, though. And Jacob, thanks to Jacob, who got us a great spot here.
Yes,
and also Dan, our waiter, who's fantastic. I'm gonna wave because they have to, hello. See, it's a power position. They have to wave back. Yeah. The moment of truth. I don't know if I've ever had a bad steak here. They cooked it just the way I like it, medium rare. And it truly is medium rare. Also, a little potato. Oh. I like to do the steak with the potato, steak and potatoes. And also, I want people to see this. I'm actually eating a carrot. It's the smallest carrot that's ever been, but healthy. I'm a healthy boy.
Yeah, you are.
So Max over here said, because I ate healthy, I get dessert, but also I want to get him on camera saying this. So what do you think of this? What do you think?
The steak is beautifully cooked.
Yeah.
It's a perfect medium rare, and the potatoes are very nice and peppery, which
Nice.
I very much like.
Peppery. That's a great word. Peppery. Oh my gosh.
Peppery.
And how are you doing over here?
Squash blossom is. It's very blossom.
It's fetch.
It's
so fetch.
So fetch.
It's so fetch.
So look, we were just hanging out here, and then someone from my creative dance class or interpretive dance class showed up. No, I'm just kidding. Hi, look at these lovely folks. They said hi. Okay, say so. Ezra, hi. There you go. Ezra's here too. So, is this your first time at the Blue Bayou?
Second,
Yes. And okay, Derek, Celeste, Leilani, and Libby. Okay.
Don't forget about me.
Ezra, of course. Ezra, you're the star. This is yours now. You can take the camera. I'm passing it on to you. Keep it going. Remember, just tell people to hit that subscribe button or exactly. Oh my gosh. I'll pay you $5 later. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's a joke. But it's so nice to meet you guys. Yeah, and we're gonna keep talking, but now I'm gonna stop this. Yeah, of course. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. I like you guys more than filet. Ooh, and that's one of the biggest compliments I've ever given in my life. All right. Now we're going on the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. I feel kind of like the chaperone here, but you know what? It is his birthday, Katie's birthday. So Katie, this one's for you. Let's say the words. Cue the music. got off the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh, and Morgan over here at the end had a great joke. She's like, don't worry about these. There's a bunch of wannabes. And then she said, unbelievable. I was like, Morgan, please. She's like, you didn't catch on video. Morgan, giving you a shout out, Morgan. That was great. Oh my gosh. You like those bee jokes?
They were unbelievable.
Nice. That last one stung though, right?
Oh, yeah, a little bit.
Ah. Well, everyone, that is actually going to do it for me here today at Disneyland. What an amazing day. Thank you so much for hanging out. Again, happy birthday, Katie. I hope you enjoyed it. We didn't hit every last thing on the list completely, but I'm planning on remedying that. I'm gonna be here for a couple of days, so don't worry about it. We're gonna take care of it. Also, they closed 2 hours early, and I was not prepared for that. It's so weird to be out here like way earlier than I'm used to, like leaving at midnight. It's like 10 a.m. down. Okay, all right. Oogie's talking. Oogie's, hi Oogie, we're gonna see Oogie soon. Either way, thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate all the different people here. Heartland Family Adventures, thank you so much. Emily, Edge was hanging out with me today during the live stream. That was amazing. And of course, Max and McKenna, wonderful people. Thank you for watching. It's a real gift to get to hang out with you guys. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to all the members here, and especially all of the patrons. Thank you so much. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, again, well, let's see. Today's the password will be 10. Because it's close to 10. Yeah, and you're a 10. 10 out of 10. All right? Until next time, everybody, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.